Tiffany.
I'm Rayleon, and we're saying the origin of red velvet chocolate chip cookies. Ruth Wakefield invented chocolate chip cookies because one day she was making cookies and she ran out of chocolate, so she used semi-sweetened Nestle chocolate, and instead of the chocolate mixing in, it only made small bits throughout the cookies. And for red velvet, we really couldn't find nothing on red velvet for origin, but the cooks in 1880 made finer textured cakes named velvet, so they just made them into cookies.
So you're gonna have 1.5 cups of flour and into the bowl. And we're gonna need 1/4 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder. And now we're gonna have 1 teaspoon of baking soda. It's a pinch of salt into the bowl.
Here we are adding an egg to the butter and the sugar with some milk and also vanilla extract.
We're gonna mix it on medium with the egg, vanilla extract, and the milk.
Now it is red, not because of magic, but because of red food coloring. And then we just added dry ingredients and semi-sweet chocolate chips.
For the original recipe, it calls for baking soda. And for the second one, instead of using baking soda, we use baking powder. They're 2 different things. And then baking soda is what helps or makes the cookie rises when it's in the oven. And the baking powder kind of makes it flat and crispy and hard, which you don't want. You want a soft, moist cookie.
Baking soda has a chemical reaction where the air bubbles in dough expand due to the this and stuff in the baking soda while it's in the oven. When it comes out, it has risen, and it is.
So the 3 ingredients that affects the outcome of the cookie is obviously like baking soda, because it helps the cookie rise, and without it, it wouldn't rise that much. And then the egg to keep all the batter together, because you don't want no like liquid stuff running all around the parchment paper or whatever you bake it in. And the butter, because it enhances like the taste, and the texture like makes it soft and stuff.
This is the conclusion of our video.
And the baking soda versus the baking powder has like a taste difference and appearance difference, as you can see in the previous picture. So that includes our
Damn!